Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can remove items from Pandabuy cart. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in pandabuy.com. So the first thing that you need to do guys in order to see your card is by going to the top right menu and then click on your profile icon. Once you click on your profile icon, under it you're gonna find user center, order, warehouse, per sale, wallet, and lastly, logout. So go ahead and sign in to your account if you're not signed in yet, and then click on User Center. Once you click on User Center, firstly, you're gonna find your profile right here, and there's you're gonna find your ID, and here you're gonna find your balance, your Pandabuy points, your coupons, and lastly, your growth value. Under your balance, you can either top up or withdraw. And right here in this list in the left, you're gonna find your card. Go ahead and click on your card, and right here you're gonna find a list of the items that you have in your card. As you can see, guys, I don't have any items yet on my card. So they told me here your card is currently empty. Go to treat yourself with shopping. So if you have items right here in your card and you want to remove them, you can just select them and then remove them from your card. I'm going to show you right here. As you can see guys, there is a guide on how to add or remove items from my shopping cart. Click the add to cart button to add an item to your order if you're viewing the list of items in your shopping cart and wish to continue browsing books.amillion.com. Click the continue shopping button. You may remove items from your cart by clicking the shopping cart button, which is located just below the navigation menu. Click the selection box beside the item you like to remove and then click the remove selected button. You may also remove the items from your shopping cart by changing their quantities to 0 and then clicking the update quantity menu. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.